Complete crimping tutorial and common mistakes. Now we're getting to the heart of it, the crimping technique. You'll find this step is foundational for most hairstyles. First things first, for the corn crimp, set your flat iron between 220 to 200 degrees Celsius. Give it a moment to warm up. While that's happening, start by sectioning off your hair. Avoid working with too thick sections, or the crimp won't turn out right. A pro tip, clip the upper section of your hair out of the way. And begin from the bottom layers. Take a section, not too thick. Slide it between the flat iron's plates and press from root to tip. It's a two-hand job. Secure the hair and glide down. After one pass, you might spot some areas where the wave is too pronounced. What to do here? Just repress those areas, holding a bit and sliding down. You'll notice your hair is still full of volume, but without those exaggerated waves from earlier. Upon closer look, that's what you call a flawless corn crimp. Now, a couple of pitfalls to avoid. The first mistake, taking a section that's way too thick, like this, and trying to crimp. When you press down, the texture won't set in right, and you'll end up using more force, risking over-processing. Not ideal, as it can lead to uneven crimps. Mistake number 2. Holding the crimp too long. Pressing and counting up to 1 to 3 before letting go. The result, over-curled sections due to the prolonged heat. Avoid this at all costs. The golden rhythm should be press, release, press, release, press, release. Keep it moving. A final smooth out, and voila! You've got the perfect crimp. The difference, when done right, is night and day.